There are several reasons why you may see this lane keeping assist system problem warning on the dashboard of your Honda. First of all, the lane keeping assist relies completely on the camera that's located just behind the rearview mirror in the interior of your car. If you notice any windshield fogging, or there is heavy rain, thick fog, or it's snowing outside, the control units will deactivate the lane keeping assist till the next time you start your Honda. So the feature will not be available till the end of this driving session. This is just normal, and there is nothing you should do. If the windshield is contaminated somehow from outside, it makes sense to wipe it clean and then restart the engine and try driving. Also, modern Honda vehicles use the front radar system in the lane keeping assist to prevent possible collisions. So the radar, which is usually located in the front grille, should be checked for contamination. Also, the lane keeping assist will turn off automatically if there are issues with ABS, tire pressure, engine systems, etc. So if you have any other lights or messages on the screen, pay attention to them first. If you experience any issues with the LKAS, please deactivate this feature and don't use it till you have the car inspected. There have been issues when the LKAS started fighting with drivers and swapping lanes, or just erratically going from the lane from one lane mark to another, which may be dangerous on the road. In this case, stop safely and deactivate this feature. Unfortunately, if you can't obviously see the reason for this warning and it doesn't clear itself automatically after you turn off the engine and turn it on again, the issue may be with either the camera or the radar. They may be disconnected, or there may be an issue with their position or calibration. In this case, you will need to take your Honda to a good mechanic who has proper equipment for such inspections, or just go to the dealership.